Hello?
Just like this lang yan.
Daddy, di ba sising tayo? Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
When I've been a series of doors in my face.
Love's an open
door. Love's an open door.
Ayan, liwanag ko. Itong pamilyang bonus na to, ano? Dali-dali. I mean, nandito na kagad. Hindi ako naka-ready pang vlog. Wait lang. Tingnan natin sila.
Hi, vlog!
Dito sila sa aming bukid. Sikap. Alas na sila.
Hi, also!
Mas gusto ko sila. Hi, Pat! Si Patrick. Tsaka si Sammy. Hi, Sammy!
Say hi to the vlog.
Ay, nasa vlog na naman kita. Pogi. Bait na kiss kita. Hi, kilala mo sila, no? Hala, ang tagal na natin ulit di magkakita. Kayong tatlo, hype kayo. Bakit ka nandito?
Alis ka na?
Ay!
Alis na kayo?
Hi!
Alis ka na, Sam?
Alis ka na daw, Sammy.
Ano, girl ka na? Amazing girl?
Sa... Kailan? Sa 21.
May flight na sila. US na.
Saan banda? Saan banda?
Sa North Carolina.
Okay.
Alam mo pa nakita.
Ayan siya.
This is my mom's and dad's house.
Kung mag-aaral lang siya, studio tayo.
Na para kita mo sarili mo. Ay. Mamimiss ko si Sammy. Saan ka napupunta? Disneyland? Di ba sabi mo gusto mo mag-Disneyland? Kaya lang di pa ako kasama. Dali mo ako dun suna.
Bale,
Ha?
pinag-dumadali sila. Alis na sila. Oo, ta.
Ayan.
Sa
21,
ano?
sa
Sa
21.
21.
May work na kayo pagod nila.
Oo, may work na. Meron
Hold it tight,
kaso
ah.
nga lang patay na.
I'll put
Tapos
this on.
Hindi ko naman close na.
So you'll be seeing. Yeah. That's Sammy.
Say hi.
Tama oh, sunset oh.
Hi. Ano, punta tayo doon. Oo. Overlooking naman din yun. Pwede naman din naman agad mag...
Okay lang yun.
Sa...
Hold it carefully, ah.
Kaya hindi nakikita mo. Kasi natin si nanay. Kasi yung tatandaan siya.
Even if you don't touch it, look, oh. It's always
Ayan yung dalawa.
facing you. Oh, you move. Oh, there. Oh. See? Oh, you go here. Oh, di ba? Nahabol ka ng camera. Oh, di ba?
Tatay mo lang.
Diyan sa ano namin, sa tita niya na tuman.
Sir, his
Sa side view ka mo.
That's Sammy in my office. Oh, look. Oh. Look, it will follow my face, so not your face. Oh, di ba? Oh, Sammy.
I love you.
Huh?
I love you.
Oh, I love you too, Sammy.
What is this?
That's for scratching your back. Oh, you hold it this way. I'll teach you. Hold it. Then like that.
That's cool. I
Ba?
thought you're a gamer.
I'm not a gamer, but my setup looks like one.
You used to play here.
I used to play here, mobile games. English na agad. Hindi kami nakaabot ng parking sa baba. Wala, puno eh. Inawat na tayo dun kanina eh. Ang amazing van na umaatras. I think tapos na kami sa tour. Na-tour namin yung resort, yung accommodation, playground, tsaka yung ibang view. Upo kami, kain kami konti. Ayan na ang meal namin. Kakain kami. Light meals lang kasi may pinanggalingan sila. Somewhere sa Angono Rizal. Kaya hindi daw sila lalamon. Ayan si Sammy. Kain ka na, Sammy. Ay, chocolate. Chocolate na kinain. Grabe ako tapsilog. I'll take a video Oh, you talk to the camera, dali, as if you're vlogging. Oh, what are you doing? You're going up. Oh. Okay, go.
Maybe only there.
Ha? Ah, may tao eh.
Beside na lang.
Ayan na lang, walang tao.
Camera, come on. Let's go.
Di ba yung be a vlog? Di ba US daw we're gonna be vlogging?
Ah, yan na. Mag-vlog ka na pala sa US eh. Ay, sorry. Yung pa ako, Kap, sorry. Oh, yeah. Ayan na, maakyat na siya. Oh, wala naman. Wow! Ganda naman dito. Ayan na ang parents.
Pwede ka na maging ano dito, yung High School Musical.
Ah, yung ganun na ano na tema. Dapat pala dito tayo kumain eh. Pwede naman eh. Ganda no? Itong Casa Peregrine. So, yan, nadala ko na sila Kap bago man lang sila makapunta ng US. Pero pag na-upload ko to nasa US na sila, mga American people na sila. Ayan.
Pagod na sa duty.
Enjoy sila. Yan, ngayon lang din ako nakapag-vlog kasi lagi naman ako pumupunta dito. Pero, yan, bihira makapag-vlog.
Wow, ang ganda pala.
Tito, follow me.
May mic
Alin?
na.
Then let's follow me.
Ah, oh, go. Meron dito ngayon, mic Kap.
Ha? Saan?
Oh, when you move, it will follow you. Oh. Oh, yeah, oh, it will follow you. Look, oh, you move na. Ah, wait.
Oh,
Turo ko
vlog na
sa'yo.
ha.
Ay,
Welcome.
ayan, oh.
Vlog ka na. Come on. Let's go.
Let's go.
Be careful, ah. Takot ako. Yeah. You point it towards you, lang. Yan.
Oh, you talk.
May mic to na pang ano, kasamang go.
Hi.
Dito po.
Hindi ko pa kinakabit.
We're here at...
Hi.
Where are we ba?
Ito yung normal na nandito dito.
Ah, oh.
Kasama talaga dyan. First
Sing to
list.
them.
Ayan na. Ayan na.
Sing to them. Come on.
Sing. I don't want to sing.
What are you gonna tell them? Keep
Wala
on
ka.
watching
Just-
with Tito
just press
Pogi.
twice.
Come on.
There. Ganon.
Watch Tita Pogi's vlog.
Thank you po sa uulitin. Dadala pa ako maraming kamag-anak. Thank you po. Oh, you say something.
Going to ride that.
We're gonna ride a van.
Ah, shuttle na lang po kami. Oh, go. I'll hold it. Oh, you ride the van na. Yes, sure. Thank you. Go.
I wanna sit with Tito Pogi.
Ay, oh, sige. Saan tayo? Sa likod. You wanna sit with Tito Pogi? Diyan. Oh. Sige, go. Bye-bye, Casa. Thank you so much. Mag-vlog ka sa US, ha?
Where's
As an
the
American girl. Ah, the microphone. I'll ano ba? I'll use it later. Ba't ang hirap kasi mag-vlog sa? Okay naman ako eh. Ah, wait. We'll try dun sa car. The drive si Daddy, ha? Oh, look, Sammy. What's your question to me? Why don't I have ano?
YouTube play
50?
button?
YouTube play button. Yeah, it's 50 pesos. Babayad kami sa parking. Sammy's asking why is it na wala pa akong YouTube play button. Ba't ganun? Nahirapan nga akong kusapin ka, Sammy. Paano pa yung play button eh? It's my dream to have the YouTube play button, but I should have like huge number of followers. You know, followers, subscribers. Yeah. So, you always have to ask the viewers to subscribe to my channel, ha? Right, we're driving home. It's just 2 minutes away, so let's see you there. We'll see you there. Bye-bye. This is my place. So you get to hang out here. You've been here. You sang like a Disney song. Oh, sorry.
Galing daw yung kasa.
Yeah.
Oo.
You know.
Ang daming tao doon ngayon. Pero nung mga gumabi na, wala na.
Mabilisan na kasi
dito.
nakauwi kami 5:30 na.
Magdit lang kami dito. Tapos,
Oh,
new,
for the ano
new
lang.
chapter.
Bye-bye.
For the new chapter.
Oh, Sammy, are you excited?
I'm excited going to... Kaya lang si Mr. Beast.
Ayan, si Sammy na-meet na si Tita Biangs. Si Mr. Beast, pinapanood niya? Ay, wah. Idol mo pala yun. Ni Sammy, itong camera ko kasi may microphone. Sabi niya, where's the microphone? Oh, you go try this one. Sabi niya, this one. Na-turn on ko na. Ayan, sound check. Ayan na. O, Sammy, loko. Ayan. Ayan siya, o, Sammy. You don't have to...
Ay, wala ka kay Sam. May laro.
This part of the vlog, Sammy will sing game. You hold this. This can be your microphone.
Hello?
Just like this lang. Yan, ganyan. Go, you sing.
Hindi ka na lang kita.
Go.
Daddy, di ba sising tayo?
Go.
Okay, just give me something crazy.
Again.
Ulol ka na, Day.
Nabulol siya bigla.
Okay, can I just
Dapat
say
ano yung ganun.
Ay, nagawa na yan.
Okay. Go.
Okay, can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
When I was spinning a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bumped into you.
I was thinking the same thing, cause like I've been searching my whole life to find my own place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my place.
I see your face,
and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is so much
more with you.
with you.
With you.
With you. Love is an open door. I mean, it's crazy.
What?
This finish each other's.
Sandwiches.
That's what witnesses say.
And I met someone who
Who
thinks so much like me. Jinx! Jinx again!
Our mental synchronization can have but one explanation. You
And I
were
was just meant to be.
Say goodbye
to the pain of the past.
We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is so much more
with you.
with you.
With you.
With you. Love is an open door. Can I say something crazy? Will you marry me?
Can I say something crazier? Yes.
Oh, very good, Sammy and Daddy. What about you? Anong kanta mo?
Hindi ako masaya.
Very good. Anong title ng song?
Elsa.
Love is an open door.
Elsa. Ang galing.
Wait.
Meron pa? Band ka pa?
Yung may tsura ni
Yeah. May vlog kasi ako nung wedding ni Mommy Daddy niya. Nandun si Sammy, nag-vlog takeover. Sabi ko, ayan, may bago ka ng vlog dito.
Pero ang favorite niya yung birthday niya,
Create
2
ko.
years old siya.
Where is it anyways? He keeps saying,
There!
Siguro ganun siya.
Ayan. That's her, oh. Oh, that's us. Oh, di ba nilate niya
Bro,
pa?
what is that?
That's
He
the
said,
sound effect. Another set of game. Ano, sino will tell the category?
White or black? You're gonna choose. Both of you nga. Di ba if it's the same,
Tapos
you're gonna say
magmamatch tayo
Jinx.
ng sagot. Kunyari, white or black, gano'n.
Gold or silver?
Okay. Gold or silver? 1, 2, 3, go.
Gold! Knew it!
Okay.
Another!
Burger, fries, yun.
Burger or fries? 1, 2, 3, go.
Fries! I knew it! I know you will! For the vlog. Another.
Okay. Black or white? 1, 2, 3, go.
White!
Kahit naman black yun!
Ha? Kahit naka-black sila, alam ko white yun. Di ba? Kita sa vlog yun, ang genuine na sagot ko. Another round. Tapos.
Adobo or pork steak? 1, 2, 3, go.
Adobo. Bot gutong ka pala eh.
Head or toes? 1, 2, 3, go!
Head! Kasi binabasa ko pa yung labi niya. Mas anong score natin? Perfect. 10 out of 10 tayo, di ba?
Bye!
Okay, we will do the outro with Sammy. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Tito Pogi.
Hindi naman siya natingin.
Na-recorded na siya. Okay, ilang practice na yung ginawa namin eh. That's Papa. That's Tito Benji.
Bye!